Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to pass data to a multiple component without using props. So instead of props, I'm going to use context from React hooks. Yeah, let's start. Here I already created a React project and also I'm running this project. So yeah, this is the main file, and first I'm going to create a context. So this file name is context.js, and here first I'm going to import React. After that I'm going to create a context. Here my context, or you can give any name here, and here I'm going to add a react dot, and I'm going to create context from the React. Okay, now our create context is ready, so I need to use this from multiple files. So that I'm going to export this one, export default, export, and yeah, now our create context is ready. I'm going to pass data by using this create context. So here first I'm going to import that my context dot provider, and inside provider we need to add a child component. Okay, so before that I'm going to add a value here. You can pass a string or any state value here. I'm just passing a string here for now. So data from context. Okay, and I'm going to create a component child one.js, and here rfce. Now child 1 is ready. I'm going to create a child 2.js, and again rfce. Yeah, now child 2 is also ready. So I'm going to add a child component here, and you can add any component. Okay, child 2, and both the component are imported here, and now it is ready to access, okay, from the child components. So first I'm going to child component. Here I'm going to access the context value here. So in this case I need use context to get a value from the create context. Okay, so I need to first get value. Here use context. Yeah, use context is imported, and here we need to pass my context, because we are going to access a value from the my context. Okay, so first I'm going to console this one from child 1 and save this, and I'm going to copy the same code. I'm going to use this here, and I need to import this one and this too. Now everything is ready. This is 2. Now yeah, I'm going to browser. Here child 1 and 2 is showing here, and I'm going to inspect because we control the values, right? I'm going to refresh the screen. Now here data from context, here this from the child 1 and this is child 2. Okay, here, right? Yeah, you can access a data like this, or you can pass a state or anything here. Here to create a state, here set state. Here I'm going to cut this value and paste it here. You can pass any value here. It may be a string or boolean or anything, object or anything. Okay, and this is state value from context. Okay, save this. Now I'm going to refresh the screen. Yeah, this is from child 1 component, and this is from child 2 component. Yeah, this is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.